Hello, so I welcome you to this course on Forex trading robots. This is a system that I've been testing for over 2 years, and it has proven to be very profitable. So I've been using this trading bot and the entire settings and systems for over 2 years now, and it has been profitable every month. So through the results of my trading, which I'll be showing you, had recorded profits at the end of every month, and going to, in fact, there's one of my accounts that had recorded over 150% profits in the space of a year. So the idea of what I'm setting up this course for is actually more like a system of a give back. All right. So this is a system that I have for over 2 years. I've tested it and it has been profitable for me. And I want to assist as many that will be taking advantage of this course and the system itself, which I'll be attaching to this course, to also dive into the Forex market and make profits consistently from the Forex market, right? So over the years, I've had students reach out to me and then ask me that where exactly is the money in Forex trading? Okay, and I tell people that most times it's not really by how much complicated you make trading seem, but knowing the right thing to do at the right time. So there are three basic things that I've told my students over the years. Number one, I've said that you need knowledge, you need the right knowledge, you need patience, and you need a lot of discipline to stick true to whatever plan or strategy that you have, right? So in this course, through the period, and as much as possible, I'm going to make it very brief. I'll go straight to the point in each of the sections so that we can see what's up exactly, and then we can, as soon as possible, get into the details. Okay, so if you're just coming here and you don't have any knowledge at all about Forex, I will advise you take the foundation of basic course. So I have a course on this site also, which I will share the link below this video. All right. So I'm going to share the link so you see. So in that course, I talked about some fundamentals about Forex, some terminologies about Forex that you need to know. All right. So that it doesn't look totally strange to you. However, as much as possible, I will still make this simple enough so that even if you are a newbie, you can still understand what you are supposed to do. And um, before we go on, right, I will want to state it that I advise, and I strongly advise that you do according to, like, just follow it religiously. Everything I tell you to do in this training, follow it religiously so that you're able to replicate similar results or profitable results that are replicated, okay? And if you don't know before, please get it now that um, Forex is a short form of foreign exchange. So Forex market is a market that is very volatile, right? And the market conditions are not always the same. However, we try as much as possible to predict, and really it has been working for us over the years. We're making profit from the market, but we do not guarantee 100% assurance on the result at the end of the day, okay? But as much as possible, Forex trading involves an higher risk, which we have subscribed to and is paying us off pretty well, all right? So, and we want to, using this opportunity to welcome you also to make this profit with us, okay? So, so I'm going to get into it. What will I be talking about in this section? All right. In this section now. All right. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about, okay, so you're welcome. All right. I just greeted you that I said welcome. All right. So in this introductory section, I'll talk about me, what you learn, all right, what are the structure of this particular course be like, who this course is for. I think I've mentioned, but I'll mention it again, what you will need, all right, then why take this course. Okay, so again, you're welcome to this course on Forex trading robots. This system that I've been trading with and I've been making profits every week. All right. So you're welcome. And I say big congratulations because this is going to be groundbreaking for you. It's going to be revolutionary for you. And within a little time, at least whatever it is, you can set up this trading system, and then you can start making profits on the side, which will not disturb whatever job or whatever business you are doing. You just need little hours, maybe before the day starts or at the end of the day, to set up whatever things you need to set, all right, and then you're good to go. Okay, all right. So about me, my name is Tolu Craig, and I've been actively trading in financial market for over 7 years, all right. And throughout my trading career, I'd gained valuable knowledge and experiences, together with insights that I'm eager to share with you in this course. All right. So I want to encourage you to stay on with me. I'm here to give out. And something I can assure you is that the value of what you're going to get from this course is way, 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 way much than whatever amount you are paid. All right. So I tell you a big congratulations. And this is going to be very revolutionary for you, especially for your finances, if you are looking for something that you can do on the side. All right. So what are you going to learn from this course? All right. In this course, designed is to provide you with solid foundation to trading, to auto trading. All right. So regardless of your experience, whether you're a beginner, whether you have a little experience, or you're even a pro trader, all right. If you have, this is a this is a system that you need to see and also explore. So even if you've been making profit before, it's something that can help you to make much more profit in your trading career. All right. So I'm going to cover quite some things about auto trading. So the course structure is going to be after this introductory session. You can check the site, right? I'm going to show you how to set up your VPS. If you don't have a VPS before now, okay, I'm going to assist you. I'll show you a particular, especially if you're in Nigeria, okay, you need to get a dollar card so that you can subscribe for your own VPS. Okay, then I will suggest quite some VPS to you, service providers VPS to you, that you are able to get a good server at a reasonable rate. All right. Please take note. I'm not selling anything. It's not mine. So whatever reference I'm sending to you, I'm not, in fact, the VPS I'll send to you is not a referral link. All right. So you can feel free to choose any VPS you want. All right. So, and then afterwards, you need to create your own trading account. All right. Which I'll also assist you through. All right. And then after creating your trading account, then we'll now need to set up MT4 on your VPS, and then set up the account on the MT4, and then we now go into the EA section itself, the bot itself, the system, where we'll set it up on your MT4 chart, and then you can get on to start trading automatically. All right. So that is how the structure of this course is going to be. And then at the end of the day, you still have an opportunity to continue to communicate. All right. So there's a WhatsApp group. You can check the link in the description of this video that you're watching now. So there's a WhatsApp group where you're expected to join, and then we'll communicate on all your concerns about this lecture and about the bot itself while using it. All right. So there will be constant communication and updates on the group. And then the good thing is we'll also be sharing our results on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so we'll also be sharing our results on the WhatsApp group, sharing our testimonies on the WhatsApp group, because I'm so sure that each and every of us will start having profits every other day, every week, every month. All right, closing every month in profits. Okay, so are you ready? I want to believe you are ready to go on in this course with me, and I am ready also. Okay, yeah. So let's get started now. Thank you.